Alright. Let's see what this is gonna be doing. So for those of you who don't know, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll just be doing anything and everything with this 350Z. I got a couple things on the way. Some Christmas presents. Don't mind the trash there. Just don't mind that. Whew. So this exhaust right now isn't the best. It needs to get swapped out. It's some eBay exhaust. When I bought the car, it has like 6 different exhaust leaks. I'm gonna get something just a little cheap for now, or get some Buffalo Shop, just weld something on, and we'll call it a day. Great, so there's a cop up here, hopefully. Yeah. He ain't coming though. This car is so much fun. I've never, like, I have a G37, which we'll see when we get to the other house. That jump time on the motor, so I had to get this car just so I could have something to drive, like, to and from work. This car has never been, like, I've never had a car this much fun, ever. So to me, like, I don't know, I can't just, like, not try to wide open throttle it or anything. It's not the fastest, but it's fun. I've never had just a car that just would do whatever you want it to. I mean, other than that, just buying a car recently. I have some plans for it, not a lot. I'll probably keep the wheels that came with the car on it, because they're not that bad. Definitely got to get a rear windshield wiper delete. It's gonna get a new wing pretty soon, because I don't like the one that's on it now. I'll just get a duckbill. Gotta get an exhaust. I'm okay with the intake on it for now. I'll probably find a used motor and pop one in, because this one's starting to get a little high. Then after we find a used motor, I'll probably figure out whether or not I want to find a used motor, depending on how many miles is on it. I'll look into either supercharging it or turboing it. I want to supercharge it just for the fact that it'd just be a little bit more fun from a having power all at once type deal. But having a turbo would also be fun just for the fact that I could have blow off noises. I'd probably get a Tomei at that point, because Tomeis aren't that bad on cars with turbos, and they're not stupid and fucking obnoxious. I don't know, it just all depends. Oh look, almost stalled. I don't know what type of videos I'll be uploading to this channel. Probably anything to do with mine and my friends' cars. I got a friend with a Mustang, Camaro, got another friend with a GTI, G35, you name it, kind of the genre, we got it. Our group's very kind of culturally diverse when it comes to cars, so there's gonna be something probably once a month that anybody will do, whether it be a muffler delete, exhaust delete, something just like that, just to bring content. I'll probably be doing going to Caffeine and Octane for a couple months to get some videos for that, to show y'all what that's like down here. Some car meets I'll go to. Let me know if y'all like this though, taking just any of these drives. I'll keep doing them just for now, just to see if I kind of like this or not. Just testing the waters. And I'm not the best driver, I'll say that right out now. I just started driving manual probably less than a month ago. Yeah, probably less than a month ago. So I'm not the best in the world, and I definitely could be better. Shots, stuff like that, just random shit that we've been needing to do for a while and been too lazy to get it done. This car has never, like, I've never had a car, even though it's slow, like, this shit is so fun. I don't know why. Maybe it's just really the fact that, like, it's my first manual car, so it seems fun to me. But this car just in general is just fun to drive. Definitely recommend, if anybody has not gotten a manual ever in their life, get one just to try it out, just for a week. 2, just buy a used car on Facebook, buy it. I don't like it, sell it in a week or 2. Just drive it for fun, drive it whatever, drive it to and from work. Just try it out. It'll change the way you think about them. This car handles so differently than most sports cars, because most sports cars will still have body roll. I haven't met a curve to where I feel the body roll.